Eh, paano tinatamad? Uy, ano to? Tunay ito? Ayan o.
Oo, may mga pangalan.
Grabe o. Ito nahinga naman. Itong dalawa parang patay na. Bakit di nahinga? Grabe ka pa ano. Ano lang to eh. Parang alam ko to. Ayan o to. Ano yan? Anong hayop to? Ano nyo? Ganda ng bahay na. Ah, lapit, lapit. Ayan pa. Tingin na, tingin na. Ay, nakakabangungot to. Maganda, oh, white. Bili, pipicturan ko kayo. Bibidyohan ko lang kayo. Tabi kayo dun. Para malaman natin kung gaano kalaki. Gumalaw, gumalaw. Gumalaw, naku.
Nangangatal ako na.
Ako nga rin eh. Grabe naman, ang laki naman yan. Nasaan ang ulo niyan? Ay, yun, nasa gitna. Oo, pag kayo. Mabait naman yan. Namumulupot lang yan ng leeg.
Video na lang.
Dapat.
Ay, pa!
Video.
Video na lang.
Maganda.
Maganda ko.
Dilim. Ay, malag to ah.
Oh, ito na nga, binibidyoan ko na. Uy, baka mag-ano tayo doon?
ganon ka. Ganon. Ikot. Lakad dun. Slow motion. Mag-model. Oh, ano.
Minsan lumalabas na last exposure ano yun? Last exposure.
Lalakad lang ng iba-ibang ano eh. Pag ganon. Lakad. Oh! Ayan. Yan, ang ganda. Parang ganyan sa mga ano na. O, lakad lang ng lakad. Sayang. Doon. Ganda na nga na. Yan, may ilaw. Dito sa sarap. Ganda nga na. Nag-ipa-ipa. Ang ganda na nga na.
May nakalawit pala sa...
Iba-iba na. Ayan, ganda.
Ganda. Flower.
Iba-iba nga. San... Para kasali rin ako. Dahan-dahan. Kiss.
Ang dami niya.
Iba siya ng mood eh. May bulaklak naman ngayon.
paiba-iba. Nabutan na ba natin? Tawa. Hindi na makita. Wow, sinong diwata? May diwata akong nakita. At saka diwato. Pareho ang damit ang kulay. Kaya, naging diwata. Ikot na parang ano mo. Naikot na parang nasa heaven. Kunyari yun, nalulumbay. Iniwan ng syota. Nakayuko. Doon. Lakad-lakad. Langoy. Kunyari sa dagat. Parang nalangoy ka dyan. Yan, yan. Yoko na nalangoy. Pajak. Bye-bye. Stop na.
Try nyo nga dumikit sa pader. Kasama sa inyo yung kulay. Yan. Oh, ang ganda, mother. Dumikit kayo sa pader. Start. Aray ko. Naiiyak ako. Aray ko.
Akala ko mayroon pa din.
Hindi naman kaya. Ayan. Aray. Aray. Oh.
Kapit, kapit.
Ayos. Ayos. Aray ko. Okay. Ano, okay na kayo dyan? Oh, okay na.
Ayos na yan. Patayin ko na.
What a wonderful entrance.
And I would like you to meet my Sea Lion friends with the trainers one at a time. Together with trainer Gabby, say hello!
Hello.
Well, let's continue. So guys, do you have any idea?
Rocket Album sees the best in basketball game. But more start model I will provide you in studios. Soldiers with your part, sassy cookers, let me hear. Sassy, sassy. Come to Rocky for the first ball, followed by Sassy. And second over Rocket, it's a fly and for the last one. Rocky Here comes Rocky for the first win. Oh wait, what's happening? Sassy pick up the 2 rings. At the same time. Oh, reverse back. And it's a tie. And for Rocky. Our local customer Sassy and Rocky with trainer Rocky. There you go. So celebration for us. And Rocky gets the first number correct. So about the second number. Well, Rocky loves numbers. Okay, I think Rocky stop waiting. Let's go, Rocky. Okay, he knows the answer. And he gets the number 9. So, 21 plus 8 is equal to 29. Round of applause for Rocky.
Try to.
Everybody just done it. And he gets the money. And I think Buddy just collected the money. Sweet. One more. And how about all your hands? Just open your ball. Look at the camera and smile. And there is your money. A round of applause for volunteer and Bobby. How about a round of applause for robbers and our home ingredients?
Ala, oo nga.
Ladies, spectacular. Red in our players who made it so possible. Trainer McCoy with Dawson. Trainer X with Buddy. Trainer RJ with Rocky. Sassy. And then
Iniwan. Walang kasama. Wala na yung trainer. Uwian na daw eh. Ayaw pa umuwi.
Ayaw pa pumasok.
Nagtititigan na lang sila. May sumpong.
May sopa. Basatan na sa...
Lapitan kaya natin. Ay.
Yan. May sopa.
Lalaki. Alligator. Gar. Ano ba yan? Parang isda yun eh. Ahas ba yan? Ano na siya, nakabaon lang siya, hindi siya na ano.
Natulog sa ilalim ng dahil.
Sears pala to. Ayan. Parang kakaibang kulay. Violet. What is that? No.
Alin, may bidyan mo. Tama din.
Mother. Ganun lang talaga sila. Hindi naman sa tamad. Sadyang, ano na nila ngayon? Bedtime na.
Nagpapahinga muna sila.
Hawakan nyo.
Mapiti ka cellphone.
May kaliskis siya ng slide.
Sa final demonstration, how about round of applause for Sila and Friends?
Wow. Flexible.
Flexible, right? How about round of applause for Sila and
Grabe
Friends?
no. Napaka-flexible na no.
As you can see, their bodies covered with a little of short horse hair, and their whiskers help the sea out. Good.
Salute.
Oh, this time, guys, would you please join our Sila and Friends in a salute? In the count of three, everybody please salute and make this one loud. People of the crowd, are you ready?
Ready.
Guys, I cannot hear you. Are you ready?
Ready.
One on sound. 1, 2, 3, salute!
Salute.
Thank you so much. Sea lions are also search and recover treatment from the water.
Wow.
H2O. So trainers, what first? The ring, go let me and take those drink. And drink that air. Our first sea lion brand. And another one.
Palakpak daw. Grabe.
What next? We have the ball. How do you think they get the ball? He's ready. Ball. They're good at this. Almost ready. They're good.
Oo. Galing mo. Oo.
Say yeah. Wow.
Ay, palakpak daw.
Now let's move on. This time, guys, would you love to see a dance number from our Sea Lion friends? Guys, where's the energy? Would you love to see them dance?
Yes!
Wow, music, maestro!
Sing and dance. Ay, uy, ang galing. Nagsasabay sila.
Let's move it! Clap your hands, everybody, come on! Now show them the side by side. And what we were dancing, so many. Into water, the water ballet. We said it earlier.
Oh, spin it.
And the bubble will go round and round.
Ah! Parang si Jollibee pa ika-ika.
On the other side, round and round.
Ah,
Now, baby, show them the boogie dance. Boogie boogie, shake it, shake it.
boogie boogie.
We will mark the boogie shake.
Ah,
Let's go, everybody.
ah. Boogie boogie.
Keep on rolling.
Oh, rolling. Ah, ay, Kaso tinatamad yata yung... Oo, may bubble. State reaction. Hindi sabay.
We hope you all enjoy spending an
Oh, palakpak to. Up your
with
hand.
the newfound
Uy,
friends,
ang galing.
Summer and Sea Lion, Yenny, and Ira. And also hope that
Around the world,